Welcome to Little Deen World! When I want a toy to play, there's a special way to say. When I want a toy to play, there's a special way to say. I don't grab and I don't shout. That's not what I'm all about. I use the word that's sweet and small, the best and kindest word of all. Please, please, I always say, please, please, please. When someone gives a gift to me or helps me out so kindly, I look them in the eye and smile. It makes their day feel worthwhile. I say a word that shows my heart. That's how a happy friendship starts. Thank you, thank you. I always say thank you. Manners matter every day. In what we do and what we say. Be kind to friends, be kind to all. Whether you're big or whether you're small. Please, thank you, and I'm sorry too. Makes the world bright for me and you. If I'm running fast and free and bump into someone, oopsie-dee. I don't run and I don't hide. I keep my anger deep inside. I say the word that mends the break whenever I make a small mistake. Sorry, I'm sorry. I always say I'm sorry. If I have a treat that's sweet or a snack that's good to eat, I don't keep it all for me. I share it with my company. Sharing makes our joy grow wide, with a happy feeling deep inside. Share it, it's better when we share it. Being good is what we do to make Allah feel happy too. With a smile and a helping hand, the kindest kids in all the land. Shukru Allah, for teaching us these manners.